Hip replacements are one of the most successful surgeries performed, with over 400,000 operations completed each year. Hip replacements are completed using a device with two separate components. The surgeon begins the procedure by accessing the hip joint and uses a bone saw to remove the head of the thigh bone. After the cut has been made, the surgeon will remove the head to expose the socket portion of the pelvis. An instrument called a reamer is then used to remove the arthritic cartilage from the pelvis and smooth out the socket in preparation for the device. Once prepared, the surgeon will insert the cut portion of the device and attach an appropriate liner. The thigh bone is then prepared by inserting trial stems to determine the appropriate fit. Once the fit is determined, the surgeon will insert the final device into the thigh bone and select a specific material for the head of the device. The last step of the procedure is to relocate the hip joint and connect the two devices together. This completes the total hip replacement procedure. Wanting more information about your upcoming surgery? Join us at rightdevice.com to get everything you need to feel prepared for your upcoming surgery today.